Go versus
Yid.
learn Czech Go forms fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your Czech? Let's make learning fast, funny, and unforgettable. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources, transcripts, and drills at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we unlock the English go in Czech.
Yid.
Tie your metaphorical shoelaces. Your goal today. You'll sound natural when you say go in Czech in real situations. Core target.
Yid.
To go on foot. You'll master.
Já jdu. Jdeš. On jde. Ona jde. Jde to. Jdeme. Jdete. Oni jdou.
By the end, you'll stroll Prague like you own a tram pass you don't even need. Mini story. The door test. Close your eyes and follow the story. Repeat the Czech bits out loud. I stand at the door, breathe in, and say, I go.
Já jdu.
My friend texts.
Jdeš.
I grin and whisper.
Jít.
Like a magic spell. He pings.
On jde.
She replies.
Ona jde.
The group arrives.
Jdeme.
The guide waves.
Jdete.
Výpravo. More friends appear.
Oni jdou.
Prez most. A drizzle starts. How's it? I shrug.
Jde to.
Adventure begins with one tiny word.
Jít.
Forms jam. Echo after me. Keep it snappy and clear. Infinitive. To go.
Jít.
I go.
Já jdu.
You go. Singular, informal.
Jdeš.
He goes.
On jde.
She goes.
Ona jde.
It goes, so.
Jde to.
We go.
Jdeme.
You go, plural, formal.
Jdete.
They go.
Oni jdou.
Playful dialogue. Act it out with me. You're the star of this mini-scene. A. Ready to roll? I go now.
Já jdu.
B. Cool. Quick check. You go? Single quote.
Jdeš.
Single quote. A. Team time.
Jdeme.
To the park. B. The guide says.
Jdete.
Tudy, you, plural, go this way. A. Tom texted.
On jde.
B. Anna too.
Ona jde.
A. How's your day? B.
Jde to.
So. Coffee will upgrade me. Drill on a beat. Tap your desk. Clap, step. Keep the rhythm. Solo chain.
Já jdu. Jdeš. On jde. Ona jde.
Squad chain.
Jdeme. Jdete. Oni jdou.
Status update shrug.
Jde to.
Smile and keep moving. Culture tip. Quick local wisdom so you sound in the know. Czechs love walking and hiking, so you'll hear forms of
Jít.
everywhere. Remember the friendly false friend pair.
Jít.
Is to go on foot.
Jet.
Is to go by vehicle. On trails a leader might say.
Jdeme.
To start, or a guide might direct a group with.
Jdete.
Tudy. In small talk, a modest answer to how it's going is simply.
Jde to.
Perfectly Czech understatement. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a pause. Q1. What's to go on foot in Czech? A.
Jít.
Q2. Say, we go. A.
Jdeme.
Q3. Your day is so. You reply? A.
Jde to.
Q4. You go to one friend, informal. A.
Jdeš.
Q5. They go. A.
Oni jdou.
Challenge and goodbye. Final mission. Make it yours. Build a mini update using 3 forms. Start with I go.
Já jdu.
Invite a friend.
Jdeš.
Then rally the team.
Jdeme.
Add a status if needed.
Jde to.
Thanks for listening, you crushed it. Keep practicing.
Jít.
And friends.
Jdeš. On jde. Ona jde. Jdete. Oni jdou.
In real life. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, quizzes, and laughs. See you next time.